Children, today we will discuss about 7 communication skills for ISSB candidates. First is speak clearly and confidently. So it is very essential for you to speak with the interviewers very confidently, and when you are in the common task or in the group discussion, you must take the lead and you should speak confidently and clearly, and this will give a good impression regarding you. Then participate in group discussion. যখন একটা group discussion হবে সেখানে তোমাকে you have to take the lead, you have to show the clarity of your thoughts, then you should behave like an officer, like তোমাকে officer standard quality তোমাকে show করতে হবে. Then you have to listen to your group mates very clearly and accurately. Also you must pay attention what the interviewer is saying or he is telling you, right? Then actually your body language should be very effective. You should show that you are very mature. Your engagement should be very clear and very confident. Then your eye contact, your posture, your gesture, it matters a lot. So এটাকে তোমাকে importance দিতে হবে. Then another important thing is that you have to think before you speak, right? তোমাকে চিন্তা করতে হবে তুমি কি বলছো. You should show that you are matured and there should be clarity in your speech, এবং তোমাকে শো করতে হবে যে তুমি আসলে রেসপন্সিবল. You must build good vocabulary, because তুমি বাংলায় লেখো আর ইংলিশে লেখো যাই লেখো, বাট তোমার vocabulary should be rich. Good vocabulary will help you to write anything or to speak anything to the interviewers. So it will give a good impression regarding you. Thank you, gentlemen. That's all I had to tell you regarding top 7 communication skills for becoming successful in ISSB. Thank you for watching our video.